Hi everyone, welcome to this first tutorial on how to use the renderer. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install the renderer and which modules you need to install to make it work. It's not a lot of modules, you just need to install 4. I think it's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to keep all these tutorials very short, so when you're searching for something you will quickly find what you're searching for. Now, just before I start, if you're searching for a good renderer for a big project that needs a lot of processing power, don't use this renderer. I can tell you it's not very fast and it's not very professional. I made this renderer with the idea just to learn how to make a renderer, and now it has a lot of functions, so I thought about sharing it. But if you want to do fun things in Python in 3D, and you don't want to learn how to use these complicated modules that are quite professional, well, this is a good option because you can do a lot of things with it, but it's very easy and intuitive. So to start, you can go to the description below. In every description of a video about the renderer, there will be a link to the GitHub page, and you can click on clone or download and just download the zip. Of course you need to have a GitHub. Then you need to unpack it. Now everything on my computer of course is in Dutch, but it will be quite the same in English. Then you can go in here and there are 2 versions of the renderer. Version 1 is older one and version 2 is a newer one. Of course I recommend you using the newer one. You can delete the older one if you want to, but it can be interesting to check to see the differences. Now here you have 2 files. One is just the example scene. I will open it, but I will open it with idle because otherwise I would need to set up a Python project. And then you use the renderer. In the renderer you don't need to touch anything. If you know what you're doing, well, you can check them out, you can read the code, and you can adjust things to see what it does. Now, when you run this, at first it will not work. On my computer it will obviously work because I have already installed things. So, we'll install the modules that you need. It's very easy, just go to cmd, your command prompt, and then you need to install 4 modules: trimesh, opencv, numpy and matplotlib. And normally you can install these very easy by just doing pip install, and as an example I will use trimesh. But for me it's already satisfied. Now that's for the 4 of these. I will put this on the screen, but for opencv you need to type pip install opencv-python instead of opencv or cv2, it won't work. Now this is all very easy on Windows, but for opencv, for example, when you want to run the renderer on a Raspberry Pi, I don't know exactly how it goes, but you don't have to install opencv. You can just go to the place where it imports it. You can comment it out because opencv is only needed when you want to work with texturing. Well, and that was it, and when you install it, the example scene should work and you can easily run it. When you do something with pip, it gives an error. I would recommend you reinstalling Python and making sure that you install pip with it and add it to the command line. And that was it for the first video. In the next videos I will show you how you can summon an object, make the different colors, make them move, rotate, how you can control objects in the camera, and way more. I hope everything was clear. If not, let me know in the comment section. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye!